Hello, everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce my company, Gaoke Group, to you. You can see we are the manufacturer and also the seller for all the devices which are used in classrooms, such as the main board, the interactive whiteboard. This is our newest model. It's 130-inch. Much with our laser projector, so it's a perfect solution for smart classroom. And also, we also produce such model. We call it a document scanner. You can see if you put some object here, then under the camera, you can see it on the screen. And also, we have this one. You can see this is our classic and also the star model. We call it a document camera. Also, we call it a visualizer. It's a 5 mega HD pixel. Right now, our company has 25 years old history, and we have branch company in Germany. So it's very convenient for clients from European markets, and also. Right now, our business is expanding bigger and bigger. So we hope that we can get more and more clients from global markets. So that's all. Thank you.